Hi and welcome to my playhouse and to another video on the bunker. I got a lot of good suggestions on what I could use this bunker in the backyard for. Some very some good ones and some very maybe over the top ones, imaginatives. Water reservoir for rainwater. I have a well in the basement and I have to pump out about 1,000 liters of water every day. Really? To keep the basement dry, so I really don't need to collect rainwater also. I know that rainwater is very good to water your plants, but well, I don't really have a garden. I have bushes. It doesn't really need watering. So I'm gonna be making this a tiny bunker data center. And I have actually been planning this for a little bit because, well, you saw the video and it might seem like I just found this and then I climbed into it, but I have actually had this for a month, or I found it a month ago and then I had to drill it open, and well, then it was like 14 days from it was open until I was actually in it. So I had some time to find out what would be a good idea for it. But today, I left you last time, we were painting. I started painting it and I'm still painting it. I'm not done with that. I'm having the issue that the paint don't want to dry in there. It's just too cold and there's probably not enough airflow for the paint to dry fast enough. So even if I painted some of it like 5 days ago, it's still sticky to the touch. But with the layer of paint in there, it's way more light because I choose a white one. I can stick the camera down there and show it to you. So I've been painting. The paint is not covering yet, and whatever dirt was left has been mixed up in the paint. I'm just gonna take you up and point you to the other side as well. That's the other side. Yeah, so the paint is not drying quick enough. I haven't done this part here yet. I need to do some. There is still some painting to do, but I got a very good suggestion. Actually, it was for what to use the bunker for. It was suggested by Philip for crypto mining and have my mining rigs in there, and it was actually not a bad suggestion because that would eliminate the noise from them. But it gave me another idea. Well, with the power prices at the moment, it's not really worth it to do any kind of mining, but to make the paint dry, it might just be good enough, because I was thinking about putting an electric heater down there for a couple of hours and just use that to heat it up and get some airflow. But the mining rig will do the exact same thing, and it's more IT related and will fit way better on my channel. Right. So we're gonna do that. I need a power cable and I need a network cable and I need the mining rig. We need some kind of a string to I think we can just lure it down there on a string and have it sitting on that green milk cartridge. Okay, here is my messy setup that I've been jiggling. This is my Bitcoin miner. It's a EBIT 9E something. It's not the fastest Bitcoin miner, but it's known in the industry to be one of the best paint dryers. So yeah, it's a very small industry for paint dryers and Bitcoin mining. This one is, I need that. It's an extra one. The power supply has an extra power outtake, so we don't need that. But I have made so that I can lure it down there in the wire, and I have checked that it will go through the opening, and I put a switch on it so that I don't have to climb down there and turn it on. I can also just turn it on and off over there. The great thing about these Bitcoin miners is that it has a little computer up here, and that is programmed to deliver the Bitcoin thing that it's doing to my Bitcoin wallet thing. It's gonna check in, say here I am, I'm ready to start some work, and it's gonna be Bitcoin mining and drying paint. So let's see if this works. I need to connect the network cable, otherwise I'll have to climb down there. I don't really want to do that. So network cable. And I have been checking if I can lift it in this, and I can. I need to manage the network cable as well. It's it. And it's on the box, kind of straight even. There it is. And I should just be able to turn it on, and it should be Bitcoin mining / drying out the bunker. So yeah, let's try that. I'm gonna check if this cable is long enough to meet up with this cable. It is, but then it's gonna be stretched. That's gonna be how we do it. So we should just be able to turn on here. Yes, that was correct. It's not making any noise right now. That is coming. Right now it's booting that little computer and connecting, and when it has connected and gets the job, then it's gonna be noisy. And thank you, Marcus, for the black electric tape. You sent that years ago. Thank you. Yeah. Can you hear it ramping up? While it's ramping up, I'll get something and show you. Oh, it's starting making noises now. So I just wanted to show you that I found a tiny ladder that I'm going to be using down there. It's not going to be sticking up like this. I'm going to cut it all the way down here so that you just have a few steps and step up, and then you can put your fat ass through the hole, and then you're good to go. But yeah, a ladder like that is going to make it a lot easier for me to get in and out. So yeah. It's not really that loud when you're standing here and listening to it. I'll try and put the cover back on. See if we can hear it at all. Yeah, we can still hear it, but yeah. I'll let it heat it up down there for a little bit with the cover on, and then we're gonna remove the cover in 10-20 minutes, I guess. If it becomes too hot, the Bitcoin miner will slow down there. Okay, it's been running for a while now. I have put a thermometer down there. It's here. Let's see, it's, I would say 26 degrees down there. I think we can take the bucket off. It doesn't feel that warm, so yeah. But it sure smells like paint drying from down there. Okay, so we're still running here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you this. The light is, well, it's good weather outside, but I can see how my Bitcoin mining is going here. It's actually telling me that the temperature is too high. So we have heated it up down there. So we're gonna do something about that. And I can also see, that's gonna be very tough to see because it's dark, but the dashboard from Sluice Pool, where I'm mining, I have done rewards. I have done about
0.0000401 Bitcoin, and that is equivalent to 12 cents right now. That's not gonna make me rich, not yet. But let's see if we can't get some fresh air in there. I got this suggestions also from the comments. Leaf blower. Oh, I don't want all kind of crap in there. Oh, it's actually sucking. Let's blow instead. Okay, yeah, I just realized I might have a problem here because it's taking air in here and blowing it out here. So we need to do something else. I need to take the long one off here. Okay, this should be better. Sucking the air in here, putting it out that way. So I managed to get it to turn off the temperature alert over here. Yeah, now it's fine with the temperature. So yeah, but it was also just to see if I could do it. Let's see what the temperature is down there. I just stuck the thermometer down there. Oops. Okay, yeah, it says maybe this came out of the sun, so might not be that accurate. It needs a bit longer down here. Okay, we'll come back to that. And I just managed to blow a whole lot of sand on my laptop. That wasn't the point. Okay, so the thermometer has had a couple of more minutes to level out. So let's see what's the temperature is at now. 31 degrees. So yeah, it's plenty hot down there. I think I'll turn it off now and pull the mining rig up here and let it cool down, and I'll probably be ready to give it another layer of paint. So you just turn it off and I'll disconnect power to it. I just measured the opening here, and it's 40 centimeters at the widest point. So, yeah, that's how big it is. Okay, so we're in the bunker, and I kind of see that I've been blowing a lot of dirt down here, and the wall is still very yeah, it's not dry. So it's gonna take a whole lot more Bitcoin mining to get this a decent dry. But I'm gonna apply another layer of paint to the wall behind me. Oh, the paint is actually up here. So yeah, if I sit on the milk cartridge here, my head is kind of almost up the tank, so it's not actually that bad. So and I can kind of take things that are up here and bring them down if I need to get the paint. But let's see the wall that I'm gonna be painting. It's behind me. So there is the wall, and yeah, that was the wall that I started painting in the last video, and I have tried to do some of it twice, but it didn't go very well because it wasn't dry enough, and this is still sticky to the touch. So
Okay, I'm done with the, well, this one has gotten a second coat and it's very white compared to all the stuff that has just gotten one coat. This is almost an art piece with the brown and the white. But, well, this one is just white now, so yeah, that is working very well, getting that white. And it becomes very much lighter down here when it's not all dark and brown. And I'm up again and I'm perfectly fine. And remember, if I have uploaded this video, nothing went wrong, right? So yeah, don't worry. Okay, so we need an ending for this video because yeah, my bag just quit on me, so I need to not do anything stupid for a little bit. I have been continuing the project. It's been days since I did the last piece of filming here. You can see that I have the bucket off here and the lead off here for the hole to dry, and it's that's a lot of trouble to get that to dry down there. So, but I have been painting even more since you've seen it, so I'm gonna climb on all four and stick the camera down there so that you can see where we're at. So here we are. Hello! There's a nice echo down here, so you can see that I've been painting. Sorry about the sound. I'll have to hold on to the microphone here. Let's make sure that that is tight on there. So yeah, been painting. There is the paint stuff ready for the next time. It's pretty good. We're getting there. It still needs some. I was afraid that this big bucket of paint would be way too much. This is the third bucket of paint, so it was not. That's where we're at, this project. And I'm not gonna climb down there right now because I'm not sure that I could get up again. So yeah, I have big plans on this, and I think the paint is pretty dry down there at the moment. So yeah, it gets very sticky when it's not dry. So giving it another layer when the paint is very sticky is very hard. So it takes longer and it uses more paint. So, and I wasn't getting very good results. So I'm painting it every second day at the moment. And now I'm probably gonna jump over a day or two because of my my irritating back. So, yeah, we're gonna end it here. I will still love some suggestions on well, I'm gonna make a tiny bunker data center down there. Would love your suggestions on that. I can't remember if I covered this in the start of the video, but I have gotten a lot of suggestions to use this tank for rainwater. But as I have a well in the basement and I have to pump out about approximately 1,000 liters a day just to keep the basement dry, I have plenty of water, which is also why I'm making a pool down in the garden, because, well, I have the water for it. I don't have to pay for that. So, yeah, I'm rambling. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.